In this video, we're going to look at our last type of reaction, which is a combustion reaction. There are two types that we are going to look at, complete and incomplete combustion. So starting with complete combustion, this is a reaction of a compound or element with oxygen to form an oxide. In the case of carbon-containing compounds, complete combustion is going to produce carbon dioxide and water. So that's your clue that it's a combustion reaction. A couple of examples in here. So this is a carbon-containing compound, CH4, so carbon tetrahydride, reacting with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. The next compound, C5H12, reacting again with oxygen to make carbon dioxide and water. So that is your clue if you've got a carbon-containing compound that it is a combustion reaction. Okay, and these ones are complete because they're forming carbon dioxide and water as their two main products. You can also have complete combustion with compounds that contain elements other than carbon, and these are going to form oxides. So for example, you could have lithium reacting with oxygen. Okay, so this is our definition of a combustion reaction, is that it's reacting with oxygen, and it produces just the oxide of that compound. So for this one, it's producing lithium oxide. In the next example, again, sulfur reacting with oxygen, that's our clue, it's combustion, is going to react to make sulfur dioxide. Now, these are examples of synthesis reactions too. So on a test or a quiz, if you tell me it's either synthesis or complete combustion, either would be marked right. Finally, incomplete combustion, it happens when there's an absence of sufficient oxygen to make carbon dioxide and water. So what happens here is that the carbon-containing compounds undergo incomplete combustion, and they can't form enough, they don't have enough oxygen to form carbon dioxide, so instead they form carbon monoxide and water. An example then would be C3H8, which is propane. If that's reacted with oxygen, maybe it's not enough oxygen, it's going to produce carbon monoxide and water. I will never make you write out and predict the reaction that would happen in terms of balancing for incomplete combustion. I could give you one where I give you the C3H8, water, oxygen, CO, and water, and ask you to balance it. Or I might ask you what the products of incomplete combustion are. But other than that, it's pretty difficult to come up with these reactions, so I won't ask that on a test or a quiz.